Kalabat.
Oh,
May
Calvert.
Kelrus. Kalabata. Kelrus na race.
Okay, we can record that. Dar chiko James on a Calvet.
Yeah.
Calvet.
Iyan ko na ito Calvert.
Iya, na damgori na
Kalabata.
Kalabata.
Iyo, en mataka binaka di kuwa. Sa do siango sa na dol talango kan na Calvet.
Dolan to na kalabati me darom bambuno.
Hey, we say binaka to all the taxi drivers tuning in this morning, to all the van
Yes.
drivers and all the
Good
passengers. Super sorry corridor. We say mbulu binaka welcome to Ochmalagi show.
Right.
We say binaka as well to all our friends. Tuning from Punolevu, Tulesana.
Right.
The owner of Mbua Maduata, Nessa Ran, Kerebi, Koro, Rivaka, and Vinaka to Sigotoka Town, Nandi Town, Lotoka Town, Ba Town, Tabu Town, and Bautukola.
Hey, Bayan Talaga, say good morning to all
Raki
the
as well.
mothers. Yeah, to all the mothers.
Yes,
Iyo.
ma'am.
All the mothers tuning in from home and all the children
Iyo.
enjoying their first week of holiday.
Oh.
First week of holiday?
First week of holiday.
Yeah.
And especially to the EF5 for the
Right.
runner. The
Yes.
result will be arrived today.
Yes, you can check out your result for all the EF5
Yeah.
that has set for Lana examination.
Yeah.
Remember, today the results are in.
Yeah.
LT1230 by
Black Moto, Black Moto.
Black Moto.
Yeah.
Mula ka to the Black Arrow. And not forgetting Melita Mani from wala talang Bararaville. From Tumi Hospital.
Yeah.
This morning. Mel Lebu. Kay
Ano
Nogu.
naka-
Happy birthday, blessed day.
Oh,
Happy birthday to
thank
mo kami
you.
kay Muni.
Nabalebu,
Yeah.
nabalebu.
Well, to all the our friends tuning this morning on our live
Broadcast.
show,
Live feed.
Eleanor is celebrating her birthday today. So you can just send a message on the live page.
Yeah.
Bembala tada kira maru tagdi ko na signature
Right,
Eleanor. Eleanor, from
Thank you so much.
a girl's point of view,
Yes.
or the lady's point of view,
Yes.
when you look at a man
Yes.
with big hair,
Yes.
What reminds you?
No, nothing. Because if they are comfortable with their big hair, then it's fine.
Yeah.
But they have to shave.
Okay.
Yes.
Tangko sa lakong
If you
bibig.
have a
Hold on,
big
hold on, hold on.
no, if you have a big no, I'm not talking about you, Ali.
If
you have a burkalo, okay,
big
just say,
hair,
if you have a
remember-
burkalo.
yes, if you have a burkalo,
Yeah.
remember you should shave. Eh?
Right.
You can't have a big burkalo and
What
big
about-
beard.
Hold on.
What about if I'm comfortable with my beard?
I'm not
Why
talking about you,
do us
Demesi.
men
Ah,
grow the burkalo and don't shave? Why? Is there a reason?
the feeling.
This is like
Feeling
a
for what?
caveman.
Ah,
You look like a caveman. What feeling?
the feeling of whenever
Togetherness.
in a hot weather.
Yes.
Eh? Everything that grows in us, they have their own responsibility. Rabay na gitu.
Yeah.
Even the nose itself, they got the nose still inside.
yes.
To capture the dust that goes in.
Okay.
In the head.
Capture the
Right.
moment.
Capture the moment mo rin ng dara. In the hair.
Yeah, right.
Sometime when we leave our hair grow so big,
Yeah.
it help us to withstand. Baka it's like a shadow.
Okay.
And then the baka rurukin na.
Yeah.
All right.
Sometime when we carry
Umbrella.
heavy things,
Yeah.
Yes.
we carry heavy things, we put on our hair.
Yeah.
Sa malumo. When we don't have our hair,
Yeah.
so we will be
Hellish.
pain. And Melitamani is there. See? Yeah.
Okay. You've seen the ladies have big hair, the
Right.
Fijian Buning eye.
Okay.
Okay. Which one
Okay.
have kutu the most? The men with the hairy burkalo or the ladies with the buninga?
The lady, they have the kutu.
Here.
Because, good morning to all the traffic officers in the islands of Fiji.
Yeah.
Not forgetting around the world.
Right.
They are being here for the roads. Yeah. And one thing,
Yeah.
because girls,
Yeah.
when they give birth,
Yeah.
they automatic have the kutu.
Why? Is there connection?
How do you know? You already gave birth.
No, because myself,
Yeah.
when I go to the maternity, we see people there because they don't allow to comb their hair while
Oi.
pregnancy.
Oh, okay.
That's
okay,
in the
okay.
past.
Yeah.
Ladies
That's I
nowadays,
believe.
ladies nowadays they can comb their hair. Nothing happens.
Why you people nowadays you want to change what our ancestors used to?
It's the man that will cause the headache.
No, because if I believe like this, if you comb your hair while during pregnancy,
Yeah.
you can cause miscarriage.
During
Oi.
Yeah. Or if you mo baka lilisul.
Iyo.
You take your hand, you remove your hand from your stomach.
So exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
What will
can
happen?
cause
Miscarriage.
it cause painful while pregnancy.
You remove your leg from your body.
Remove your leg me tatagin namin. Ebida kana kambol.
So who has the most kutu, the ladies or the men?
No, the men.
Okay, male no.
Because
why?
ladies,
Yeah.
even if we have big hair,
Yeah.
we still clean our hair. Boys, no. Men,
Okay,
no.
have you seen the men? They're like kuturing.
Yes.
No.
The messy.
I never see a man
Yeah.
doing the couturing. Yeah. Because women,
Yeah.
whenever they go,
Yeah.
you can see, I can promise this.
Yeah.
If you check your bag, you still have a comb there.
Yes,
Yeah.
because we take care of our hair.
Yeah.
Men, no. They'll just leave it like
That's
that.
why. Because the kutu
Yeah.
only lives with beauty.
Oi.
Nambulangan na muno rambulang-bulang binaka because
No,
if it's
only dirty.
Yeah.
they will never live in a dirty place or passed away fella. Yeah.
Okay, last question for us this morning.
Rainima.
Do you like lipstick
Yes, I like
on
lipstick.
the ladies' lip?
Oh yeah.
Why?
I don't like lipstick.
Why?
I like lip gloss.
Lip gloss.
Yeah.
Yo?
Slippery when wet.
Then demo. Kadiano daos palang isyong matang ko.